The 30-step miracle cycle. The one, the menstrual cycle begins with an egg matures or ripens in any one of ovaries at the same time. The endometrium starts to the thicken for a visible pregnancy. 2. Matured egg is released from the ovary. The lining of the uterus continually thickens until it is ready to receive the fertilized egg. 3. The thickest uterus will serve as the home of the developing embryo. 4. If ovulation does not successfully happen, the endometrium breaks down or is destroyed and discharged from the body. Discharge of blood and tissues is known as menstruation of menstrual period. 5. The menstrual cycles as short as 21 days or long as 25 days are considered normal. 6. The endocrine system plays an important role in the menstrual cycle. 7. During the first half of the cycle, days 1 to 14 days, the pituitary hormone FSH stimulates and eggs to mature inside one of the ovaries. 8. 9. In the middle of the menstrual cycle, which is about day 14, the level of HSH luteinizing hormone starts to rise to ovulation occurs. 10. The ovary releases the egg and traveling into the fallopian tube. 11. It takes 7 days for the eggs to traveling into fallopian tube going to the uterus. 12. The protection of progesterone increases after the time the egg reaches the uterus as progesterone increases if meeting the ground of the endometrium. 13. If the egg has not been fertilized, progesterone and estrogen level drop, the endometrium break down and unfertilized egg falls out of the body to sufficient. Thank you.